You are very weak. You are very good. Again you failed. Once again you did well. What kind of child has born in my family? We are proud to be a child like you. Hello, intellectual personalities. I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. Recently you saw some scoldings, some praisings. These scoldings and praisings are very common in our family. What kind of students you are? If you are a very good boy or very good girl, that's academically, then of course you will be having some praising, some appreciations. But if you are weak in study, then of course you will be having scoldings, right? But if you are weak, it doesn't matter. I am going to give you some tips by the implementation of which you can be a talented. Sure. Number one. The number one is to get interested. You have to be interested in maths if you really want to be a good in maths. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you are a basketball player or futsal player. Then only the basketball and the futsal will be in your mind. Even one day before the game, you think about the basketball and the futsal because you are totally interested in the game. Number two. Number two is begin from where you don't know. Let's understand it by an example. A person doesn't know ABCD. Do you think the person can read a book? Obviously not. If the person cannot read the book, the person cannot understand anything. And if the person cannot understand anything, they are just wasting his time. So if you want to do simplification, you must have to know how to factorize. And before factorization, you have to know how to take common, the number system and others. So most of the students are struggling with mathematics because they are very weak in base. And they are trying to do some harder questions, some advanced questions. So they are lagging behind. So it's my suggestion. Evaluate yourself, what you know, what you don't know, and find out where you are stuck. In the trigonometric equation also, try to know the base, the previous relation, trigonometric ratios. These things, if you don't know them, you are very weak in mathematics. So second one is, that's very important. You evaluate yourself, where you are stuck, what things you don't know. And first of all, know them. Then only try to do mathematics, otherwise you are just wasting your time. The third one is, change your mindset. Yes, most of these students are always thinking they are very weak in mathematics. They are thinking very weak. Of course they will be weak. So we have to change our mindset that I am so good in mathematics. I know it. Because thinking, thought is an energy. As you think, so you are. So always think you can do. You have a power. No one can be you. You are born as a genius. So you can do all mathematics. So always think, yeah, it's very easy. I'm going to do this. So mindset is very important. So from right now, you are going to change your mindset and always think you are the best. I'm so good in mathematics. I can do it. And you can see miracle after some days. Definitely you will be very good in mathematics because you will be interested. You have changed your mindset. So no one is going to stop you. If you like this video, then like. And you have to comment in the comment box for the second part of this video because still I have some more tips to give you how can you be talented in mathematics. So not to forget to like, share, and if you are new then must subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Have a good time.